Hi everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at another couple of examples solving trig equations. So the next one we've got is square root of 2 cos x plus 1 equals 0. I'm trying to solve for x. Before I do anything else, I want to rearrange this equation. So I'm going to take 1 on both sides and then divide by square root of 2. So I get cos of x is equal to minus 1 over the square root of 2. Next thing we need to do is look at our unit circle and find which quadrant's cos, our cos function, is negative. So we've got A, S, T, C. Well, we don't want A because that's positive, so we want sine and tan because they're the only ones that are positive in those quadrants, and obviously cos is positive here. So we're looking for Q2 and Q3. Now for cos x equals minus 1 over square root of 2, we can say that our angle is going to be pi on 4 because cos pi on 4 is equal to 1 over root 2. Since we're looking at Q2 and Q3, so we'll start with Q2, we can find that by our identity, pi take theta, in this case pi on 4. So pi take pi on 4 will give us 3 pi on 4. And in the third quadrant, we have pi plus theta. So it'll be pi plus pi on 4, which gives us 5 pi on 4. So they're my two solutions for x between 0 and 2 pi. And we'll just have a look at another example. We've got the square root of 3, take 3 tan x equals 0 between minus 2 pi this time and positive 2 pi. So similar to what I've did over here, I just need to rearrange it so I get tan of x is equal to the square root of 3 on 3. So we want positive. So A, S, T, C. So positive in the first one, positive in the third one, not in the second or fourth. So tan x equals square root of 3 on 3. The angle I am looking for is going to be pi on 6, because tan of pi on 6 is equal to root 3 on 3. And we're in the third quadrant, so for Q3, we're just after pi plus theta, which will be pi plus pi on 6, so 7 pi on 6. And for Q1, well, that's just the pi on 6. So there's the first one, there's the second one. Now for these two, this is actually between 0 and 2 pi. What we're after is the minus 2 pi. So for this one, we've found when we go positive, meaning we're going around anti-clockwise. Now we need to work out the angles when we go anti-clockwise. So we're still in the same quadrants Q3 and Q1, except now for Q3, if I start at 0 and go backwards, I'm going to be at minus pi when I go half a circle, which means I'm going to have, for Q3, we'll say the negative way, minus pi. I've gone half a circle and I want to go back a little bit, so it's plus theta. So minus pi plus pi on 6, which will give me minus 5 pi on 6. The other one is when we're at Q1 going negative, so all the way around we'll end up at minus 2 pi. So minus 2 pi, and I want a little bit before that, so I add on my angle. So minus 2 pi plus pi on 6 will give me minus 7, no, sorry, minus 11 pi on 6. So here's my first two, and here's the other two. So we end up with 4 solutions in total. So that's worked example 3. In the next video, we'll have a look at that was example 1. Next video, we'll have a look at example 2. Thanks.